Skillets and frying pans are must-have kitchen essentials. Whether you're planning to cook an entire meal or simply fry up some eggs, a good skillet is your best friend. Home cooking is made a lot easier when you have a non-stick fry pan around. Choosing the right one can be a bit difficult when you have so many options, so we've picked the 5 best skillets and frying pans that can match your cooking style, needs, and preferences. Our choices are praised by some of the most avid users and reviewers of cookware. If you're ready to have a closer look, join us as we take a quick look at the 5 best skillets and frying pans. Here we go. At number 1 is the Mainstays aluminum non-stick skillet pan. It's a 3-piece set of 7-inch, 9-inch, and 11-inch pans for daily use. They suit all types of cooktops except induction cookers. These pans are ideal for everyday cooking and frying eggs, pancakes, and more. The different sizes will suit the dish you want to cook. The double-layer coating of Whitford makes them durable and convenient to use. The pans are constructed with an aluminum body that delivers fast and even heating, making it easier to prepare everyday favorites for your family. The black exterior element does not stain easily, which is a bonus for busy homemakers as it eliminates a more thorough cleaning. Cleaning them is very easy because there's no sticky residues or burnt sauce. The cool touch riveted handle of each pan offers a strong connection as well as a comfortable grip. They're lightweight and easy to use even for beginners who want to try home cooking. The reinforced edges provide better strength and long-lastingness. They are all dishwasher-safe, so cleaning them for the next cooking session is hassle-free. If you're looking for a gift for your loved ones or wanting to replace your old pans, getting these non-stick skillet pack is the best decision you can make. At number 2 is the Lodge pre-seasoned 12-inch cast iron skillet. It features an assist handle that provides better control during cooking or transferring of the dish. The easy grip handle makes lifting and hanging the skillet convenient when not in use. It's highly durable and dependable, promising long years of convenient cooking. The tough cast iron material comes pre-seasoned with natural vegetable oil that gives it an easy release finish. It makes frying, grilling, sautéing, broiling, braising, and even baking easy and stress-free. Make your daily cooking experience more exciting with this cast iron skillet. It provides even heating and unmatched heat retention. This go-to skillet suits induction cooktops, the grill, the stove, or the oven. For outdoor activities, you can use it over a campfire, assuring well-cooked, tasty foods wherever and whenever you want. This cast iron skillet is the choice of professional chefs, adventuring spirits, and those who are beginners to discover their interest in cooking. It measures 12 by 3 1/4 by 15 1/4 inches, perfect for solo or family dishes. To maintain its optimum functionality, hand washing it with warm water and a mild soap is recommended. After washing, use a paper towel or lint-free cloth to dry the skillet thoroughly. Oil the pan surface with a light layer of cooking oil, store or hang in a dry place. What do you think of our first 2 products? If you have any comments or questions, feel free to write them down in the comment box. We're happy to read your views and we'll do our best to answer your questions. If you're not yet a member of our friendly community, please subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to tap the bell icon to get instant notifications when we upload a new review. And now back to our list. At number 3 is the Farberware 3-piece set aluminum nonstick skillets. These stylish and pastel-colored cookware essentials provide modern convenience and a great value for your money. The triple pack comes with an 8-inch, 9 3/4 inch, and 12-inch quality skillets for everyday use. The items boast a safe, long-lasting, non-stick interior, ideal for hassle-free frying, broiling, sautéing, and cooking a variety of dishes. Each skillet delivers unparalleled performance, providing quick and even heat due to its heavy-duty aluminum construction. The skillets reduce hot spots that burn foods. Cooking your personal or favorite family dishes is super easy. They're oven-safe up to 350 degrees. The sturdy, contoured, double-riveted handle of the skillets makes handling it more comfortable. Cleaning up after use is a breeze because they're dishwasher-safe. With the ease of cooking, cleaning, and storing, this set of skillets is a must-have for your kitchen. All of the items come with the manufacturer's quality assurance guarantee. Farberware's reputation for providing premium quality cookware has been known since 1900. They combine function with style, making everyday cooking fun and an exciting way to impress your family with delicious recipes. Entertaining friends is also a breeze as these skillets offer ultimate performance. So when you need to scale up your cooking prowess or your collection of reliable cookware that lasts for generations, this sleek set of skillets is a fantastic option. Another must-have item in your kitchen is number 4, the T-fal non-stick black fry pan set. It comes in a pair of 9.5 and 11-inch pans, letting you choose the perfect size for the ultimate home cooking experience. These fryer pans are made of titanium non-stick interior coating that makes cooking and cleaning hassle-free. The reinforced coating particles remarkably enhance the cookware's longevity and superior performance. These pans feature a patented T-fal Thermo-spot heat indicator, which means they only start cooking upon reaching the optimal temperature level. This allows proper preheating that seals the natural flavor of the food. The stylish set combines practicality and superior features to help you prepare all of your favorite recipes. The soft-touch riveted handle has an ergonomic design to ensure maximum safety and comfort while cooking. They feature pouring edges that add the convenience of transferring food to a serving plate. The deep shapes of the pans offer extra capacity. The pans are oven-safe up to 350 degrees Celsius, making them ideal for a variety of dishes you want to cook. They're perfect for busy people who want a convenient, fast cooking performance. Cleaning up is a breeze because they're dishwasher-safe. If you want one more option, we've got one coming up. But before we get to that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for instant notifications of our new reviews. And finally, let's check out number 5. It's the Select by Calphalon Hard-Anodized non-stick 10-inch fry pan with cover. This high-performing frying pan features a 2-layer coating to ensure the food does not stick to the pan. This smooth, reliable surface is ideal for easy food release, making transferring and plating easy. The long-lasting non-stick performance of this sleek frying pan is great, letting you cook anything you want with ease. Cleaning it after use is effortless because of the hard-anodized interior of the pan that's also dishwasher safe. It's very durable and resistant to corrosion and prevents warping. It's a versatile fry pan which is oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can go from oven to stovetop for your baking and cooking needs. Durability and versatility are two of the most important factors that everyday home chefs need to have around. Discover these amazing benefits as you cook your family's favorite recipes. Make every meal a wonderful moment with well-cooked, flavorful dishes. No matter what you're creating, you can get the perfect results because this pan allows even heat distribution. It comes with long comfort grip silicone handles that remain cool while on the cooktop. The tempered glass lid is very durable and can withstand optimal heat. This 10-inch nonstick fry pan also comes with a limited 10-year warranty. Not all skillets and frying pans are made equal, so picking the correct one to suit your cooking requirements should be the foremost consideration. Hopefully the choices that we've offered in this review will help you pick the one that's best for you and your cooking needs. If you have a favorite and you're ready to buy one right now, check out the links in the description below to catch that product at a great deal. If you have any products you want to see us review in the future, just leave the comments below and we'll give it our utmost attention to grant your wishes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload a fresh product review. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel.